guys, and welcome to another mystery gaming with Gary. Oh, those are so cute. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mystery Gaming with Gabrielle. I'm going to tilt this down a little bit so you can see my face. And Mystery Gaming is for gamers for me to play as a mystery, and I play the games that's scary and crazy and I don't know what to do or what to expect. But it's 25 days of Christmas, so each game is a mystery for me already. But to add to the mystery, I get a present and a note. So let's see what this week's mystery present note is. Alright, that's it for Gabrielle. So it says, as you know, each week of Mystery Gaming brings you a new mystery gift. Today's gift will help you to feel right at home in this week's Mystery Gaming. Enjoy. Ooh, so ominous. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna tilt this back up a little bit then, if that's how we're gonna play. Oh my gosh, I love this. They jingle. Alright, let's see what this game is. I'm guessing it has something to do with reindeers. Snoring 2 Winter Edition. Oh, that sounds so cute. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's play. Level 1. This elephant's constant snoring is driving everyone crazy. In a moment, try clicking the owl. Pigs roll when pushed, and penguins spin away when pushed. Okay, so I've got like do like a little. Oh, it's like a angry pig or angry bird type of thing. Oh, I'm like waking up. Oh, it's fun! Oh, that's so mean. Hurry! Hurry, fall! And spin! And go! And wake him up! Oh, I unlocked a film. Wow. What happens? Is there anything that happened? This is a boring movie. Duh. Am I supposed to do something? Oh! I thought this was a movie! And I realized I was the one who's supposed to be doing things. I would have acted a little quicker. No, I messed it up. Great, okay, now I'm all mad they didn't realize that was Stop it! Okay, this is gonna fall first. Then jump. No, what do I have to do to get this to fall properly? What is happening? No, this is so hard. I want to go back to the real game. No! Oh yeah. Can I please continue on to my game? Alright. Oh, whoops, no. What's happening? I messed up. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Alright, so it's gotta like roll all the way up. No! Stop! Oh, I know. I gotta like roll him. Roll, and then stop. This is a scary cow. And then once you get a little higher, then we're gonna roll again. And dip, and blip, and done. And I got 3 stars! Yes! Alright. Oh, yes! Oh, this is hard. Okay. Oops. Okay. Nope. Not happening. Okay. I need these. Okay, probably when it comes like back down, they're all. Go, tip him! Ah! Oh, so close! And down and roll it. Oh, so close again. We got this. We got this. I'm gonna start it now. Tip it! No! Zebra, you're messing everything up. Go now. Yes, there we go. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's play the bonus level now that I know that I'm in charge of making the movie happen. Oh, darn it. Oh, come on, go faster! Yes! Okay. Whoop. Oh, nope. And now we go in. Ah! too difficult. Go faster. Oh! No, I'm waiting too long. Right now. Go, 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 go. No! Oh my goodness. And now. Go faster, 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 faster. Then go down the hill. And then knock it over. And then go faster. Tip, 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 tip. Please hit these guys. Yes! What would it like me to do? They're not moving. Go. What am I supposed to do? Keep rolling. Oh, keep going, keep going. Oh! Yes, yes. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Faster. Don't fall. Oh, this is totally, this is like 0 stars. They're gonna give me nothing. Oh my gosh, I didn't actually think I could get nothing. What? Oh, play again. Yes. Yes. No! And roll. Keep going. Oh, this is too hard. I hate this game now. Oh my goodness. Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Phew! Phew! That was my complete chance. Alright. Jump. I messed it up again. Women! Start it! And go! We can meet at the same time. Nope, can't. And freeze, and go, and this, and jump, and move, and boom! Alright, I think I'm going to call it quits for today. So I made it to level 20 with the score of 802? No, what's my overall score? Is there overall score? I have to have done better than 802 of my whole entire... Okay, but I just click the next... Okay, there's my whole score. Okay, so my whole actual score is... Wow, it's taking so long to count up. Oh, no, it's going down. Oh, wait, no. That's my level score. Okay, so we're going to quit. Okay, 60 stars is what was my score. 20 levels and 60 stars is what I got. Let me know below in the comments what your score was and how far you guys got. I'll see you next time. Bye. That is not your favorite movie.
Yes, it is. I watch it every year.
Oh my goodness. Make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel because tomorrow's Coco Chat, we're going to be talking about Christmas movies.
Yeah, our favorite Christmas movies and some of our not so favorite Christmas movies.
We'll see you tomorrow.
It's
what?
really good.
I don't even understand.
No, you have to try it.